Provide an overview of your business, its mission, and vision. Summarize the key points of your business plan. Explain your company's legal structure, ownership, and history. Describe the products or services you offer. Identify your target market and highlight your unique selling proposition, USP. Conduct market research to identify industry trends and target customer demographics. Assess the competition and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Define your target market's size, needs, and preferences. Describe your company's organizational structure and management team. Identify key personnel and their roles. Outline any gaps in your team and how you plan to fill them. Provide detailed information about your products or services. Highlight their features, benefits, and competitive advantages. Discuss your product development or service expansion plans. Describe your marketing and sales approach. Identify your target market segments and distribution channels. Outline your pricing strategy and promotional activities. If you're seeking funding, state the amount you need and how you'll use it. Explain your financial projections and how the investment will generate returns. Prepare financial forecasts, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Include projected sales, expenses, and profitability for at least 3 years. Conduct a break-even analysis to determine when you'll start making a profit. Describe your day-to-day operations and production processes. Discuss the location, facilities, equipment, and technology required. Outline your inventory management and quality control measures. Identify potential risks and challenges your business may face. Develop contingency plans to address these risks. Discuss insurance coverage, legal considerations, and regulatory compliance. Outline the steps and timeline for executing your business plan. Set specific goals, milestones, and responsibilities. Define metrics to track progress and success. Include supporting documents such as resumes, permits, licenses, and legal agreements. Attach market research data, competitor analysis, and other relevant information. Remember to tailor your business plan to your specific industry and audience. Keep it concise, clear, and persuasive. Review and update your plan regularly to reflect changes in your business or market conditions. A well-crafted business plan can serve as a roadmap for success and help you secure funding or attract partners.